We know that an adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Now, there are these three brothers, adjective, verb, and adverb. And they are just sitting and talking among themselves. So let us see what they have to say. The brother verb says, let us play. I often play football. Now if you look at this sentence, I often play football. What is the verb in this sentence? Play. Play is a verb. I often play football has verb play. Now if I ask a question to the verb, how often or how frequently do I play football? The answer will be often. So if I ask the question, how frequently do I play football? Often. So often is the answer to the question, how often or how frequently? So it is giving us more information about the verb play. I play football is a complete sentence, but the word often is giving us more information about the verb play. How frequently do I play football? Often. So it is an adverb. And because it tells us how frequently do I play football, it is called an adverb of frequency. So it tells us how frequently an action happens. So adverbs of frequency are adverbs that change or qualify the meaning of a sentence by telling us how often or how frequently something happens. So they tell us how often or how frequently something happens. So they give the answer to the questions how often or how frequently. So they give us more information about the verb and give answer to these questions. Now the brother adverb says, I never play football. In this sentence, play is the verb and describing the verb play is the word never. It is giving us more information about the verb play. I never play football. So never is an adverb. And if I ask the question, how frequently? How frequently do I play football? The answer will be never. So it is an adverb of frequency. So never is an adverb of frequency in this sentence. I never play football. He says, I always play cricket. Once again, play is the verb and describing the verb play is the adverb always. I always play cricket. Also, it tells us how frequently do I play cricket? Always. So if I ask the question, how frequently do I play cricket? The answer will be always. So always is an adverb of frequency. So always is an adverb of frequency. She never drinks milk. What is the adverb of frequency? In this sentence, drinks is the verb and describing the verb drinks is the adverb never. Now if I ask the question, how often does she drink milk? The answer will be never. So never is an adverb of frequency. Now where are the adverbs of frequency placed in a sentence? adverb of frequency is usually placed after the subject in a sentence. So it is placed after the subject. So if we look at this sentence, I always play cricket. In this sentence, I is the subject, always is the adverb of frequency, play is the verb, and cricket is the object. And as we can see, the adverb of frequency is placed after the subject. So it is placed after the subject, and it is a correct way of writing the sentence. I always play cricket. So you can remember this sentence, and using this you can recall that an adverb of frequency, which is always in this case, is placed after the subject I. I play always cricket. Now the subject here is I, play is the verb, always is the adverb of frequency, and cricket is the object. So adverb of frequency is placed after the verb, but what we know is an adverb of frequency is placed after the subject. So this is not a correct way of writing this sentence. I play often football. Is it a correct way of writing this sentence? Well, if we look at this sentence, I is the subject, play is the verb, often is the adverb of frequency, and football is the object. Now recall the sentence. I always play cricket. So always is the adverb of frequency, which is placed just after the subject. So adverbs of frequency are placed just after the subjects. So often should be placed here just after I. I often play football. So this is an incorrect way of writing the sentence. Instead it will be I often play football. In this sentence, often is the adverb of frequency and it is placed just after the subject. I often play football. Now what is the adverb of frequency here? He occasionally goes to the market. First, let us find the verb. So the verb in this sentence is goes. Goes is the verb, and describing the verb goes is the word occasionally. So if I ask you, how often does he go to the market? The answer will be occasionally. He occasionally goes to the market. So occasionally is the adverb of frequency here. Occasionally is the adverb of frequency. So adverbs of frequency are the adverbs that give more meaning or more information in a sentence, and they tell us how often or how frequently an action happens. They are usually placed just after the subject in a sentence. So see, occasionally is placed just after the subject he. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.